We've come to the top of the rock in Gibraltar. Oh, hello. Monkey. Oh. Monkeys here. Loads of monkeys. Look how high we are. So high up. Friend monk over here is one to say hello. Hi. Yeah, he doesn't know what to say. We stayed in the marina for the weekend, and now we are leaving for the Canary Islands. It'll be 4.5, 5 days at sea. So let's see what happens. In the marina we had a little skate park that was just down the road from us. Here's some footage of that. Well, I am still a skate park reviewer, so I'll give that skate park 8 out of 10 because it was really fun, like just going around, and since I was smaller ramps so I could jump out of them. And yeah, we also had, well, yesterday or the day before, we went up the top of the rock at Gibraltar, all the way up there. And so, yeah, we're gonna start the passage. We're gonna see how it goes. And we're gonna be sailing with our friends on Parallel. Yeah, we're gonna be sailing to the Canaries. Hello. We're gonna be sailing to the Canaries with them. It's a buddy boat. We just got a big swell. The wave came in the back of the boat. Now it's all wet. Life jackets on, safety first. It's about 5 o'clock and we've been going like 10 or 11 knots all day, which is really fast for our boat. And we've exited the Gibraltar Strait. We are here and the strait was way back up there somewhere. So we've gone. And we've got some big waves, we got a little bit of water here. Like big waves. May not be able to see, but like, they're big. They're like 3 meters, 2 meters. Which is big. Yep, that's all that's happened. It is day 2, it's about midday. The swell has come down a lot, but so is the wind. Like 25 knots when we went to bed, and now it's about 15, so that's a bit annoying. We have a fishing line out today. Not much has happened. The container ship back there. Mama is making, hello. Mama is making some nachos. She's pre-cooking them, so when we have dinner tonight, there's not much preparing, only heating it up. So that's how we're gonna do a lot of our meals, pre-cooked. It's about 5 now. We're ripping along. Look, big red up. And we are going, I think, about 7 to 8 knots. How fast are we going? 8.34. Right, fast. Stay 3 on passage to the Canaries. We've had fishing lines out all day. they just disappeared, but somewhere out there we had a boat called BEMZ, and it's been a pretty fast passage so far. On the first day we did 16.3 knots, which is like 30 k's. So for you guys driving down in your cars, that's not really fast, but when you're on a boat, it feels really fast to go that fast. We are currently about 200 miles off land. For you in New Zealand, friends who know where Great Barrier Island is, that is 50 miles, so being 200, that's going back and forth twice to Great Barrier. So yeah, we are really far offshore. We got Big Red up, and we are doing about 6 knots. At the moment, so not super duper duper fast, but on good speed and doing good ground, so that's good. It is the next day. Mama has made some fresh sourdough. We've got some Marmite on it. It's really good. I'm fishing. We got a big ship over here. Tanker. Hopefully, we're gonna catch fish today. Yeah. But I love this bread. It's day 5 and something big just happened. Let me show you. Land ho! After 5 days at sea, we finally see some land over there. It's the Canaries over there. I still can't believe it. We've been at sea for 4 nights, 5 days. Oh, yeah, 5 days by the time we get there. And we're getting there. The Canaries so far, or land, little island called Graciosa. It's like something out of Star Wars. Trays. We saw a mahi-mahi jump back there, or it looked like a mahi-mahi, I'm not sure what it was. More space Star Wars stuff over there. Just like that. 4 and 5 days at sea, and we're back in an anchorage in the Canary Islands. Well, I've been here before. This video was a day late. Well, I mean, you just watched why it was a day late. We were at sea. I guess it's come to the end of this video. If you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe and tune in next Friday for a new video. See you then.